Hello everyone, today I will teach you about the remaining data sets. I have explained to you the first three data types in my last lecture. The first data type that I will teach you is mapping. This is an unordered data type. There is one type of mapping data in Python, that is dictionary. Python dictionaries is represented using curly brackets. However, it is collection of data items in the form of key value pairs. We write a key value pair using a colon between them for separation. The key value pair is separated by a colon. Beside this, data type provides faster access. We can access any data item by mentioning the key in square brackets. If you want to mention any key, any item, then you can mention it in square brackets. However, the key is usually a string value and the value part can be of any type. The key value is usually a string, but the value part can be of any data type. Example of dictionaries are as follows. Let's create a dictionary. I have created a variable v and then I assign it the following values. Its key name and its value is Anna. Its the key age and its value is 22. This is key gender and its value is female. Now let's print it. Here is the output: name Anna, age 22, gender female. But if you want to print a particular dictionary, then you will write print v and gender. Okay, let's print it. The gender key value is female. Now I will print age key and let's check its output. Its value is 22. Now let's print the name key. Its value is Anna. Okay. The second data type is set data types. Set is an unordered collection of unique items. Set is defined by values separated by commas inside braces. For example, create a set name student ID. It's 112, then 114. These are the 5 items. Now I will print it. Okay, here is the output. There is another class of set, that is frozen set. Frozen set is an immutable. That means we cannot remove it, it cannot be changed, or we cannot add any items into frozen set. Let's see its example. Here I initialize a dictionary. I created a variable, that is person, and then I created a dictionary by creating key value pairs. Then we use frozen set to create immutable set object. Here I write frozen set and then put here the name of the variable person. Now I will print it. In the above example, we initialize a frozen object using dictionary. As we can see in the output, our result is a frozen object with keys of dictionaries as elements. Okay. Now I want to assign an item to the frozen object. In the output, it gives you an error and it is written that frozen object does not support item assignment. We are assigning frozen set a value work at index 1. As we know, a frozen set is unordered, so its index 1 doesn't make any sense and it is immutable. We cannot modify it, which is why it throws the error frozen set object does not support item assignment. Boolean data type is another data type of Python. Boolean data types with one of two built-in values, true or false. Boolean that objects that are equal to true are true and those equal to false are false. But non-Boolean objects can be evaluated in Boolean context as well and determined to be true or false. It is denoted by class bool. True and false with capital T and F are valid booleans, otherwise Python will throw an error. I define a variable and then I write true. As I told you earlier, if I write small t, then it will give you a error. I will write capital T. Now I will print both these variables. Here this is type is bool. Almost any value is evaluated to true if it has some sort of content. Any string is true except empty. The empty strings are not true. Any number is true except 0. Any list, tuple, set and dictionary are true except empty ones. Well, it contains a value, it also contains a value and it also all three these three contains value. Just run it. It's true. But empty values such as these given below will evaluates to false because here you can see in the output because does not contain any value and the number 0 will also evaluates as false. You can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of two answers, true or false. Let's take an example. 10 is greater than 9. Let's print it. It's true. This statement is true. Let's print these three together. The last two statements are false. Binary is another Python data type. A binary is a categorical variable that can only take any of the two values, usually represented as Boolean true or false, or an integer variable that is 0 or 1. Some example of binary are smoking is binary variable with only two possible values, yes or no. A medical test has two possible outcomes, positive or negative. Here I define a variable and assign it a value 11 and then I use bin function to convert it into binary. Let's convert it. Here it's converted into binary. Hope so this video helped you learning about the data types in Python. Kindly subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.